Picture this. You're a freelancer or a digital entrepreneur, and your customers are based in the United States. Do you need a way to get paid without losing a chunk of your earnings in transaction fees? Or maybe you have a desire to sell products online on platforms like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and you need a way how to access your money when you get paid. It could also be that you're an online shopper. Yes, we love to shop, but you're looking to access US only stores. Or you just want to hustle online on platforms like social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and they paid, but you want to get access to that money. What if I told you that there's a way you can open a US bank account and get a free debit MasterCard? Whether you can use to receive payments, or you can use a point of sale transaction, or you just want to eliminate the transaction fees internationally. I'm about to give you a tutorial on how you can do that, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. Hello, my name is Tamika. Welcome back to my channel, and thanks again for always coming back to watch my videos and supporting me. Is the term Payoneer new to you? It's actually a financial services company that specializes in online money transfers and digital payments, where you receive money in your actual bank account online, and you have a wallet. With that, you get a free MasterCard debit card where you can use online or you can use at point of sale transaction. I'm just going to go through a few advantages of having this card, and then you'll see if you want to apply for it. The great thing about Payoneer is that you get the free card, as I mentioned before, and also you can get it in digital format. So you don't have physically have to have the card. You can apply for it online and get it immediately. That's amazing. And that's how I use it. And later on, I'll show you how I use it to shop and to pay for different subscriptions and to buy crypto as well. You can get your physical card, you can apply for it. You can use it in stores, use it at the ATM, or use it anywhere across the globe. Payoneer operates in over 200 countries across the world with multiple currencies. And you get it with some of the major currencies. Currencies like the US, you get it with the GBP pound and the Japanese yen. And here I'm showing you that on the screen right here. I'm positive that your country is on it. You take a look at the list right now to see if you see your country there. I'm also going to put the link in the description below. When you get time, you can go through it. If you see your country, I want you to go in the comment and write your country and let me know if I'm providing value to you here, especially in this video. I use Payoneer as my primary bank account to do business online and business in the US. I've been using it for many years. I've been using it for more than 8 years and I haven't had an issue with it. Each time I renew my card, and the last time I got a digital card, I didn't actually get a physical card because most of the time I don't use a card physically. And the good thing about it, I get that card immediately. 99% of what you do on Payoneer is like your regular bank account. One thing about Payoneer is freelancer friendly. It's designed especially for freelancers and professionals. On Payoneer, you can send your invoices from your account to your customers, to your vendors as well. So it's very user friendly. Most people who are operating brick and mortar businesses also use Payoneer because they leverage a lot of persons who are online, who doing online work, and then they'll pay them through that as well. And that's an additional advantage that I like to share with you. Some companies online also prefer using Payoneer as their payment method, especially on Amazon, Airbnb, Google. You have Rakuten, Adobe, Upworks, Fiverr. They all pay using the Payoneer platform, even eBay. eBay as Payoneer as one of their major payment platform that they'll do their payout. You can go anywhere on in these countries and withdraw your money from your Payoneer MasterCard or your debit card. And MasterCard is globally accepted. It's everywhere. So that's a big advantage. You have the Payoneer, but it's also a MasterCard. That makes it even a bigger advantage. Another positive thing or another advantage of Payoneer is that you can tap into the US market despite wherever you are. You can go online and sell in the US like any persons in the US. You can sell on Amazon, you can sell on eBay, you can sell on Etsy. So you're able to leverage the e-commerce platforms. Payoneer is affordable. The fee on Payoneer is very small to the regular bank transaction fees. So for example, if you want to transfer a 5,000 US dollars, you'll have to pay a fee of up to probably 100 US dollars. Versus if you use Payoneer, that transaction fees is way less, much lower, and it's easier. If you're doing a wire transfer through a regular bank account, sometimes it will take up to 5 to 8 days versus using a transfer on Payoneer, which will take a day or two, even just a few hours. Like for me, if I'm transferring money from Airbnb to my account, I'll get it the same day or the next day. Another good advantage about Payoneer is that they have a very user-friendly app. With that app, you get a notification immediately on your phone that tells you that you have a payment. And who wouldn't want that? It's such a good feeling when you can have your phone telling you that you have money coming in. It's a very good feeling. As I said, I've been using it for many years. They have the app and their platform is very robust in terms of security. It's not a 9 to 5, and these persons online work really hard to earn their money. Nobody wants to lose their money, but with Payoneer, again, I've never heard of somebody losing their money from Payoneer. Very robust. It has the same security system as the regular banks that you know. With mine, I use my fingerprint and confirmation with my telephone number and also the Authenticator app. So even if I'm logging in a computer somewhere, I still have to authenticate that transaction or that login with my cell phone. So it's very secure and very user friendly with the app and with their entire system that they have. So it's very secure. The good thing about Payoneer, it's free to sign up. So free to sign up. One of the things that Payoneer also offers is their referral system. So you can refer persons to the platform, and once they get to their account gets to $1,000 or the equivalent or more, you receive a $25 reward. You and the person that refers you to Payoneer receive a $25 reward. What better thing? I don't know of a bank right now that's giving $25 to refer somebody to, and you both get the $25. So you get it and the referral person gets it. So once you sign up and you get that your first $1,000 in your bank account, you will receive an additional $25 just to get your Payoneer account. So that's a win-win situation. But we've been talking about persons outside of the US, but there are persons in the US who also have their Payoneer account. Some person will separate their business account and their payment online, and it's separate from their regular bank account. So they put their side hustles on their Payoneer card. So with that said, let's get into the step-by-step guide in opening your US bank account, and I'll show you the back end of what it looks like in my bank account. Again, I'll put the link in the description below. You can go ahead, click it, and follow the steps that I'm about to show you to get your bank account as well. So once you click the link, you'll see it says register or sign up. Now you're going to click on that link and choose whether you're signing up as an individual or a company. It's easier to sign up as an individual because with company you have to have the documents, the required documents. So you want to make it less complicated. So if you go ahead and choose the individual, that's fine. Then you go ahead and you enter your personal information, and with this you're going to fill out the required personal information, including your full name, your email address, your date of birth, and your residential address. Then you move on to the contact information, where you provide your phone number and you create your password for your Payoneer account. The next step is about the security information. So you're going to set up your security questions just like your other bank accounts that will ask you for security questions. In case there is any issue, you can answer those questions to recover your account. After that, it's going to ask you to verify your account, and with that it might ask you for a few documents. Documents like your ID, your government issued ID, like your passport, your driver's license, and your proof of address. Ensure that the address you use is the one that's on the proof of address, like your utility bill or your bank statement. And sometimes they might ask for additional documents based off where you're applying for or their country of residence. Okay, and you'll provide that. After that, they'll ask you to agree to the terms and conditions, so you can read through the terms and conditions, and then you submit your application. Once all the information is provided and the documents are uploaded, then you just have to wait until they review the documents and your application. Payoneer it might take a few hours or a few days. It depends. Sometimes you'll get the email immediately. Once your account is approved, you can go ahead and activate it, and your account should be active. If you haven't received an email, sometimes you can go in your account, log in with the login information, and you might see the notification, and it will tell you that your account is now active. So once you do that, you can select whichever currency you want it in, whether you want it in the US currency, the GBP pound, or the Japanese yen. Mine right now is in the US currency. The key thing with your Payoneer account is your account number, the routing number, and the address. Because any platform you're getting paid from, you have to provide this information in order for you to get paid. And I'm going to show you right here from my account. This is my account number. You have the reference, the routing number, and the address. All the details that you need to put in on these platforms to make sure that you get paid. The most important information that you need, that you get paid from. And there you have it. Setting up your account is pretty straightforward, and it's for your benefit. I don't see where any of it doesn't benefit you at all in case you need it. And as I said before, once you're making online, it's a very good card to have. It's very flexible, especially in these times when you're not able to buy crypto and you're not in the US. Payoneer is the card for you. It's very easy to use when it comes on to buying crypto on the different crypto platforms. Hope you like this video and you found value in it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.